This is a great example of the pattern recognition when you get a divergence. In this case, we have a nice divergence here at 115. Divergences happen in two stages. Stage one is the first low, and then stage two is after a bounce. We come down to stage two, it's the lower low, and the higher low on the stochastics. Now, what's great about this is you could take the first bounce, all right, the first bounce, the pivot area up there, the closing price of the first bounce is going to be you're going to put a line up there. And then the low, I like to say the closing panel, but pretty much the low of the closing candle low of the divergence candle is going to be the second line. And that line, the space between that, is typically 9 times out of 10 the new pattern that forms. So all of a sudden you have your target. When you have a divergence like this, you're like, where am I going to get off? You put that, you make a parallel chain, and now you're saying, well, does it go like this? Sometimes you might not know how to line this up. Like, is it going to go like this, or is it going to be? It's going to be that distance. But I tell you, from my experience and how channels play out like this angle here, you could see it here. You see it's a 30. I'm always looking for probably around a 30, 35 degree angle on the trade. So I always make sure that, that's what we're looking for. These tend to angle out. All of these channels are like 30 to 40 degree angles. So if they fall within that 30 degree angle, I just make that kind of a general area. And then you have a move up. And once you hit that trend line up there, and it's already been extended, you already knew where it was, that's your target. Now, it could happen here. That's what we were saying. It could actually, if it pushed up there, that would be your target. If it pushed up here, that would be your target, because you're going to look for that pullback into the channel. But this is a great way of actually taking your divergence and know exactly where to get out on your first trade. Stage one, bounce. Stage two, bottom, the width. And that's something we used to do. Is called a 1, 2, 3 channel. It would be 1, 2, 3. Get that? 1, 2, 3. And we used a 1, 2, 3 channel a lot. But this is going to be the only pivot, and this is going to be the only pivot. This is just going to be a parallel line. So you're actually looking at this 1, 2, and then whatever this touches up here. And that's a great setup when it happens. Same thing on the downside.